So here we are on the official website of Peru, and as you can see, it is a digital asset platform. I want to tell you that I chose Peru because it supports a lot of cryptocurrency like the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. And I'm using the Peru Pro wallet, I'm using Peru Chat, and also the Dex wallet. Uh, let's check out what is basically the Peru system. Peru ecosystem is made up of decentralized financial services. As I told you, has custody wallets and messenger chat application. So that is what is it is about basically. And when you go to the Peru Propel, you will come to know the Peru Propel is a utility token. Peru was wrapped at 3 billion Propel, which is 37.5% of the total Propel. And I'm lucky enough, I'm an early starter and I have used Propel. I have Propel in my digital wallet and I use it in the community activities and utilities that I have been using. So Propel is basically the utility token of Peru, and Peru is a digital platform where you can, have your apps like your digital wallet. You also have a decentralized wallet. You have the chat app where you can learn more about Peru. So this is basically a quick look of the Peru Propel. And as you can see, I have started this blog where I'll be telling you about how I am using Peru and how it is affecting me. So basically, it is that I am a content creator, I am a consultant, and also a coach. I have some courses online, and the way I accept different payments through cash or check or net banking, I use the PayPal or GPay and obviously the net banking stuff. Now I want to start accepting cryptocurrency, and Propel is the utility token I have accepted. I also get paid into Ethereum or any BNB, which I can store in my Peru wallet. So all I want you to understand is don't take this too in a way of exploding into a big topic. No, all I want you to do is download the Peru chat app, download the Peru custody wallet or the Dex wallet if you want, and start using these cryptocurrencies. As an self-employed person, I understand that we cannot fully depend on these trends, or it is not about making quick money, it is about understanding the new technology and using it as we move ahead. So there are two parts of this. One is the cryptocurrency and one is the blockchain technology. Peru is an organization, it's a platform, and Propel is a utility token that is being used. So that's all you need to know in today's blog. I want you to follow my blog and understand and explore it. What I have done with Propel or Peru, I'll just zoom in and I'll tell you what I have done in the recent 2 months. I have downloaded the app. I have done my KYC so that I have the custody wallet, that is the Peru Pro wallet, properly installed. Uh, then I have transferred a few Ethereum, that is the ETH, to the Indian exchange where I converted it into the Indian rupee. Some of it I have staked, as you can see. I have staked zero point 0.2 for the Ethereum 2 version, which will round about take 1 year to complete. I've sold a small value of Ethereum, around about 15,000 rupees. I withdrew just to check whether it works properly, and it works very nicely. Then I have installed the Peru Dex wallet, which is the decentralized wallet. It does not require a KYC, and I have done that to explore. So I was lucky of getting paid into cryptocurrency, and I have accepted the Binance BNB. I have accepted Peru Propel in my Dex wallet. So this is what I've done. The Peru wallet also allows you to swap tokens, which I have done. just yesterday, and it was very simple, no hassles, and there's a swap feature in Peru wallet. And all this I have done by using the Peru chat app where I get to communicate with my other members and sometimes lucky enough to communicate with the founders of Peru. So all I want you to do is check the Peru website, go down there, download it. Okay, you can download it, read more about Peru, and it's up to you. Just follow me and let's explore this new world. Please remember, this is not about making big money or something right now. It is just about exploring Peru, understanding its features, and being active as a Peru user, gradually growing into a strong community and making it, move ahead in the future. So thank you for joining me on my first vlog. This is the official Peru website, as you can see, and this is my website where I am going to every week send in some details about how my crypto journey with Peru and Propel is moving ahead. Thank you all. See you in the next blog. Bye bye.